throwing up. So here's Reptile Ray.
Voila! Iguana! Do something with it. This party stinks. Where are the snakes? Snakes? You want snakes? I'll get you snakes. But you hate snakes. Are you kidding me? Reptile Ray, snakes! Oh, I hate snakes. Not as much as I hate frogs. Actually, Ray, they're South American bullfrogs. And they hate being in cages. They were talking to me.
Unlock it. Unlock it.
What?
I just don't want to step on them. They're endangered, you know.
What is all that noise down there?
I don't know, but I'm going to find out.
Oh my goodness, my dad's gonna come downstairs. We gotta get rid of these frogs.
Okay, I got it covered. Fellas, back in the cage.
Eddie, stop snapping and start grabbing. Come on.
Ray? You down there? Just came down to see what all this noise was about.
Noise? Oh, Dad, I'm sorry. I'll be sure to keep it down. How you doing? You know, are you feeling okay?
Yeah, well, maybe a little ginger ale will help. I don't know. My head's starting to feel a little clammy. Do I look okay?
Dad, you look good. So, but I think I just need to check your fever. So, let me see your head brace. Oh, what's that?
What?
Nothing, you're okay.
Everything okay?
We're just, feeling the groove, Mr. Baxter. Woo! Yeah, can you feel
Well, could you kids not move so much because you're making me wanna... Oh, I gotta go.
it? Don't go away. I see more